Hello friends, M&C Education welcomes you in its program on general science. Today we are going to see questions which are very much of importance for UPSC, JPSC, BPSC, SSC, CGL, JSSC, BSSC, RRB, NTPC, Delhi Police Constable, IBPS and any state PCS exams. In this session, we are going to see 40 multiple choice questions which are very much important questions based on science, and in science these questions are from mechanics. Medium of instruction is English only. Today's first question is in the formula average velocity is equal to u plus v by 2. We all know this is the formula. U is, options are final velocity, initial displacement, final displacement. And in these options, initial velocity is the correct option. U represents initial velocity. Second question is 1 Fermi meter is, options are 10 to the power minus 9 meter, 10 to the power minus 15 meter, 10 to the power 15 meter, 10 to the power 12 meter. The correct option is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Third question is potential is measured in. Options are watt, Newton second, joule per coulomb, joule. The answer is joule per coulomb. Fourth question is joule is related to energy in the same way as Pascal is related to. Now, joule is the unit of energy, so the physical quantity of which Pascal is the unit will be the answer. And we all know the unit of pressure is Pascal, so B option is correct. Fifth question is which of the following is a scalar quantity? Now we all know scalar quantities are those physical quantities in which there is magnitude only and no direction. Now options are momentum, mass, gravity, weight. So mass will be the correct answer as mass has no direction. Sixth question is which of the following is not a vector quantity? Again the question is same. Actually not a vector means scalar quantity. Speed, velocity, torque and force are the options, and in these options speed is not a vector quantity, so A is the correct option. Seventh question is select the most appropriate option. Momentum has magnitude only, direction only, magnitude and direction both, neither magnitude not direction. And the correct option is magnitude and direction both, as momentum is mass into velocity and velocity is a vector quantity, so the resultant will also be the product of mass and velocity will be again a vector quantity, so it will have magnitude and direction both. So the option C is correct here. Eighth question is distance of stars are measured in. Distance of stars are measured in galactic unit, solar unit, cosmic kilometer, light year. And the correct option is D, light year. Ninth question is in a vacuum, a 5 rupees coin, a feather of a sparrow bird and a mango are dropped simultaneously from the same height. The time taken by them to reach the bottom is T1, T2 and T3 respectively. In this situation, we will observe that options are T1 is greater than T2 is greater than T3. B option is T1 less than T2 less than T3. C is T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3, and D is none of the above. And we all know in vacuum when there is no resistance of air, everything will fall simultaneously. So here C option will be correct, that is T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3. 10th question is, an object having a mass m moving with a velocity v possesses a kinetic energy k. If its velocity is doubled, its kinetic energy will become k by 2, 2k, k by 4, 4k. Actually, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. That means v square is there. Whenever we will double the velocity, kinetic energy will become 4 times. And whenever we will double the mass, the kinetic energy will be double. As a result, here they have increased, they have doubled the velocity. So the correct answer will be D, 4k. 11th question is, a person can jump higher on the moon's surface than on the earth because. Options are, the moon's surface is rough, the moon has no atmosphere, the acceleration due to gravity on moon is smaller than that on the earth, the moon is cooler than earth. The correct option is C, the acceleration due to gravity on moon is smaller than that on the earth. 12th question is, when the milk is churned vigorously, the cream from it is separated out due to frictional force, centrifugal force, centripetal force, gravitational force. Correct answer is B, centrifugal force. This process is known as centrifugation, and this is the process by which, on the basis of which, this is the principle on which washing machine works. 13th question is, the ratio of the internal mass to gravitational mass is equal to 1 by 2, 1, 2, none. The correct option is B, 1. 14th question is, which of the following has no unit? Pressure, displacement, relative density, density. The correct option is C, relative density. 15th question is, the energy possessed by a body due to change in its position or shape is called. Options are A, nuclear energy, B, kinetic energy, C, chemical energy, D, potential energy. The correct option is D, potential energy. 16th question is, in a hydroelectric power station, ultimately which energy is converted into electrical energy? A, heat energy, B, kinetic energy, C, mechanical energy, D, potential energy. And its correct answer is B, kinetic energy. 17th question is, the intensity of the Earth's gravitational field is maximum at. Options are A, the equator, B, the center of the Earth, C, the pole, D, none of these. The correct option is C, the pole. 18th question is, weightlessness experiences in spaceship is due to A, absence of inertia, B, absence of gravity, C, absence of accelerating force, D, free fall of the spaceship. Answer is B, absence of gravity. 19th question is, which of the following is correct? Options are A, energy can be created as well as destroyed, B, energy can be created but not destroyed, C, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, D, energy cannot be created but can be destroyed. The correct option is C, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, and it is conservation of energy. 20th question is, it is easy to burst a gas-filled balloon with a needle than with a nail. It is because. Options are A, nail exerts more pressure than needle on the balloon, B, needle exerts more pressure than nail on the balloon, C, nail is more longer than needle, D, gas is reactive with the needle. The Correct option for this is B. Needle exerts more pressure than nail on the balloon. 21st question is the formula for power is. Options are A. Work by time, B. Momentum by time, C. Speed by time, D. Displacement by time. The correct option is work by time. Work per unit is known as power. 22nd question is which of the following is not an example of potential energy? A. Water stored in a dam, B. A compressed spring, C. Running water, D. A raised hammer. The correct option is running water because it has kinetic energy. 23. Acting on a non-rigid body, a force can A. Produce dimensional change, B. Produce change in direction of motion, C. Start motion, D. Stop motion. The correct option is produce dimensional change. 24th question is the distance between two crests in a wave is given by wave number, wave velocity, amplitude, wavelength. The correct option is D. Wavelength. 25th question is who among the following gave first the experimental value of G? Options are A. Newton, B. Cavendish, C. Galileo, D. Copernicus. And correct option is B. Cavendish. 26th question is the symbol of SI unit of inductance is H. It stands for A. Ohm, B. Hertz, C. halogen, D. Henry. Correct option for this is D. Henry. 27th question is soap bubble attains spherical shape due to viscosity, inertia, surface tension, pressure. The correct option is surface tension. 28th question is if the earth were to spin faster, acceleration due to gravity at the pole increases, decreases, remains the same, none of these. It will remain the same. Option C is correct. 29th, density is mass into volume, volume by mass, mass plus volume, mass by volume. And correct option is D, mass by volume. Actually, density is defined mass per unit volume. So, it is D which is correct. 30th, which of the following is most elastic? Rubber, wet clay, steel, plastic. The correct option is C, steel. Who among the following scientists discovered the law of flotation? Options are Newton, Thomas Edison, Archimedes, John Dalton. Correct option is C, Archimedes. 32nd question is the shape of a raindrop is spherical due to viscosity, surface tension, elasticity, gravitation. Correct option is B, surface tension. 33rd question is the sliding friction is dash than the static friction. It is sliding friction is smaller than. Actually, options are double, same, greater, smaller. So, D, smaller will be the correct option. 34th. In science, a push or pull of an object is called pick, lift, force, shut. It is force. C. Force is the correct option in this case. 35th. If the orbit of a planet is an ellipse, then what is the point at which the sun is located called? A. Focus, B. Center, C. Circumcenter, D. Incenter. And the correct option is focus. 36th question is the value of G on the Earth's surface changes due to. Option A, both rotation and shape of the Earth, B, rotation of the Earth only, C, shape of the Earth only, D, none of the above. Correct option is A, both rotation and shape of the Earth. 37th question is the velocity of the wind is measured by. Options are A, barometer, B, hydrometer, C, wind vane, D, anemometer. and its correct option is D, anemometer. 38th question is, which of the following is not a result of surface tension? Options are A, nearly spherical drop of rain, B, capillary rise, C, removal of dirt by soap or detergent, D, flow of liquid. Correct option is D, flow of liquid. 39th question is, the displacement time graph of a particle acted upon by a constant force is. Options are A, a straight line, B, a circle, C, a parabola, D, any curve. Correct option is a straight line. 40th and the last question for today's session is, Newton's first law is also called. Options are A, law of moments, B, law of inertia, C, law of momentum, D, law of energy. And its correct answer is B, law of inertia. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.